Sitting by the fire burning, listening to the children learning Christmas songs they sing along. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, over the hills, snow bundled up with a rosy nose. Time is nigh, come inside, it's Christmas coming home. Hi, I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and yes, I know I don't sing the song nearly as well, nor as cutely as Lennon Maisy, but I feel that I can probably teach you how to play this simple and beautiful Christmas song. The first thing to do, if you want to sing it in the same key they do, is pop your capo on the first fret. And now the chords. All the fingerings I say are going to be related to the capo as though it were the first fret. First chord is a G chord. First finger hangs. Your middle finger is going to play the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Your ring finger plays the 6th string on the 3rd fret, and your pinky curls up and plays the 1st finger on the 3rd fret and play all 6 strings. In the verse it goes from there to a D. Pick up your pinky, lighten these 2 fingers, and slide them all the way down to the bottom strings. Notice I didn't pick them up off the strings, I didn't move them around, just slide them over. Then your middle finger is going to play the 1st string, 2nd fret. Ring finger is going to play the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your 1st finger is going to play the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and you're going to play 4 strings starting with the D string. To go back, you reverse the process. Pick up your 1st finger, unweight the middle and your ring finger, slide them across the strings, keeping them together, and then they go on the 6th string and 5th string. Pinky curls back up, gets the 1st string. To go from the G to a C chord, which it does in the chorus, you're going to pick up your pinky, unweight these 2 fingers, and slide them over, 1 string each. So your middle finger winds up on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger winds up on the 5th string, 3rd fret. And then your 1st finger is going to play the 2nd string on the 1st fret, and you're going to play 5 strings starting with the low C note. The strumming pattern is what I like to call a boom diggy diggy. Basically, you're keeping a straight 16th note strum, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a down on the numbers, up on the E's, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Only on the 1 and the 3, you're just going to play the low note. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Now you might notice I'm letting my other fingers touch the bottom string, that way I don't have to look to find the low note. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. That's all there is to it. I told you it was simple. Now all you got to do is find yourself a friend or a sister to sing the other part, and you will be the hit of any holiday performance or family gathering. Don't forget to look below the video for the chord chart and other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray area that's for your questions. Now, I said the song was simple, and it is to me, but if I've misexplained something, if you just don't understand something, please feel free to ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Christmas Coming Home by Lennon and Maisy. Thank you for watching. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Christmas Coming Home by Lennon and Maisy.